Quiz time! Essential phrasal verbs with get. I have some news. I'm now available for personal lessons. Meet me on italki. The link is in the description and get $10 for free if it's your first lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn 4 verbs. Get along with means to have a good relationship. Get away means to escape or take a vacation. Get away with means to avoid or escape punishment. Get over means to recover from a situation. Number 1. That's right, it's after the flu, it took her a week to fully get over it. Here, get over refers to the recovery process for a sickness. In this case, the flu. Number 2. That's right, it's sometimes you just need to get away for a weekend and relax. Remember that get away means escape somewhere for the purpose of a vacation. Number 3. That's right, it took him months to get over his breakup. A breakup is when two people separate. Get over means recover, and in this case, it's emotionally. Number 4. That's right, it's you can't get away with lying to your parents forever. This person is warning a child that you can't always escape the consequences of lying to your parents. Number 5. That's right, it's this is the last time you get away with not doing your homework. This student is consistently avoiding punishment for not doing homework, but this is the last time. Number 6. That's right, it's I need to get over my fear of public speaking to advance my career. Get over means to recover or cure something. In this case, it's a fear of public speaking. Number 7. That's right, it's finding a roommate you can get along with is crucial. Get along with means to have a friendly relationship. This is essential for roommates. Number 8. That's right, it's she managed to get away from the busy city life for a week. When we get away from a place, we go on a little vacation. This can also be permanent. Number 9. That's right, it's I get along well with my new English teacher on Preply. She's an amazing person. Get along with means to have a friendly relationship. In this case, a personal English teacher on Preply. Number 10. That's right, it's after the disappointment, she finally managed to get over it and move on with her life. Get over it means to recover or cure oneself from something. We hopefully move on after this. Number 11. That's right, it's surprising what some people think they can get away with. It's often surprising when some people think they can avoid punishment in life. Number 12. That's right, it's we're planning to get away to the countryside next month. Get away from a place means you're leaving. Get away to means you're going. Number 13. That's right, it's essential for managers to get along with their teams to maintain productivity. Of course, managers and bosses need to have good relationships with their teams. Number 14. That's right, it's sometimes kids think they can get away with breaking the rules. Of course, some children think they can escape punishment. Number 15. That's right, it's YouTube work is killing me. I should take a break and get away for a weekend. YouTube work is hard. If you want to support the channel, you can get extra quizzes by becoming an English fan. It all happens in the community section. Then I can take a small vacation. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan. Remember, quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.